Okay, came back with another side. So what I did is go ahead and make like 5 baked potatoes. I baked on 370 for 30 to 45 minutes. So we're gonna load these up, and that's a extra side there. I went ahead and take this down over here because I don't want that to mess up on that. Did some more hamburger buns. Right here. I'm doing them like this to match because so you'll know, because it end up these two ends right here, and it should have been an end and a top. So I'm doing it the right way this time. So it won't be no confusion when you grab a bun. Just put it like that. That you have a top and a bottom. And then this is my top also for burger, but it's top also for hamburger. I mean the potatoes. Cheese, bacon, butter, and potatoes. Also for the baked potatoes. So that's what I came back to show you guys what I had going on here on Thursday. Just made a little side to finish off what we had going here. Fries. Leftover on the fries. And leftovers on the hamburger patties right here. So that's what I came back for Thursday, just to let you see what we had going on for the day. And this is my famous chili that I used on my hot dogs. I probably end up just freezing this time around. Or if I want to, I can just eat just plain chili. So this is what I was using for my grill hot dog that I had on the grill. Made my own homemade chili. Just showing you guys that. And one more thing on my setup. Once again, this is what we're using here on the burgers. And if you want to, in your potato too, it can be used for double time if you want that on your baked potatoes also. So that's what I had going on. Set up. I'm looking for that. I don't know if I have them. I don't think so, because I would have found them by now, guys. So I'm just going to do this again. I guess if we finish off them pickles. I like jalapenos on mine too. So that's the setup for the burgers. As always, the Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. Love you guys. Happy Thursday. Bye-bye.